This is the flag. It says Super Target. And this is where the trucks park, and that means like no parking. And here's like the housewarming. These are monkey bars, and this is a slide. This is you do like the playground stuff, and that's a what is it called again?
A merry-go-round.
Yeah, that's a merry-go-round. And these are just tables, and that's a window, and it's a Halloween costume. I'm not really going to explain the thing.
Should we show them the entry where our cashier is?
Oh, yeah. That's the cashier and stuff, and that's a food. And here's the car stuff. And Sparks. Move, move. All right, and here's someone walking out. This is the toy section.
The toy section. Oh, and look, this is our produce section right here,
yeah,
right?
yes.
Produce.
And these are like some vegetables. This is like the food that you don't think, is healthy, but it is. And these are like the balls from Target, and that's the one with the cover. So, remember it?
Yep. See, there it is right there. The cool cover. That's the ball that has the cool cover.
And that's supposed to say aisle 1. I might paint it. I didn't tell Mommy that, but I want to. And this is where people smoke cigarettes.
Yeah, show them where people smoke cigarettes. Right there. Yucky.
Ew.
Ew.
Happy Target!
Now, Ben, is this a regular Target or Super Target?
It's not a regular Target.
Oh.
Hey, you killed a person.
I know, Audrey. You just ran over a car.
This isn't Target. It's Super Target. Happy Target! This is where you get your Xbox stuff.
Yeah, your Xbox stuff. Okay, Ben, look at the camera and say
all your Wii games and stuff, and like DS games. Everyone, happy